Let's take up reactions in which phenol resemble with alcohols. First reaction, phenol react with sodium metal to form sodium phenoxide and hydrogen gas is liberated like alcohols. Alcohol also react with sodium metal to form sodium alkoxide and hydrogen gas is liberated. Second resemblance is esterification. Phenol reacts with carboxylic acid in the presence of a base to form an ester. Specific example we are taking, phenol reacts with benzoyl chloride. We can take acid also or acid halides. Benzoyl chloride, so HCl is removed. Reaction is catalyzed by OH ion. Product formed is phenyl benzoate plus HCl is formed. Phenol reacts with acetic anhydride in the presence of OH ion to give phenyl acetate or phenyl ethanoate plus acetic acid. So all these three reactions are esterification. It can be carried out with carboxylic acid, it can be carried out by acid halide or acetic anhydride. Next, we are taking formation of ether. This is Williamson synthesis. C6H5OH reacts with C2H5I, results in the formation of ethoxybenzene. Its common name is phenitol. Phenol reacts with dimethyl sulfate in presence of OH ion, results in the formation of methoxybenzene. Its popular name is anisole. Paracresol reacts with benzyl chloride, so HCl is removed and ether is formed. This is parabenzyl ether of paracresol. This is paracresol or 4-methylphenol. This is the ether of parabenzyl ether of paracresol. So this is formation of ether from phenol. This is Buchrer reaction. Phenol, when treated with ammonium sulfite in the presence of ammonia at 150 degrees centigrade, aniline is formed. Most common method is phenol also reacts with ammonia in presence of zinc chloride, which acts as dehydrating agent at 300 degrees centigrade to form aniline plus water. Reaction with PCl5. Phenol reacts with PCl5 to form chlorobenzene plus phosphorus oxychloride plus HCl. This chlorobenzene is a minor product, not a major product. Reason being that replacement of OH by Cl is difficult due to double bond character between carbon-oxygen bond in 3 out of 5 resonating structures of phenol. So the phosphorus oxychloride which is formed reacts with excess of phenol and results in the formation of triphenyl phosphate, which is the major product in this reaction. Plus 3HCl is formed. So here H from here and Cl from here is removed, HCl is removed, and we get triphenyl phosphate as the major product, chlorobenzene is the minor product. Let's take up some key points. Benzoylation of alcohols and phenols in presence of alkalis is known as Schotten-Baumann reaction. Phenyl esters, when heated with anhydrous aluminum chloride, undergo freeze rearrangement. The acyl group migrates to ortho and para position to form phenolic ketones. This compound is phenyl ethanoate, that is an ester or phenyl acetate. In presence of AlCl3 on heating, it undergoes Fries rearrangement. We get mixture of orthohydroxyacetophenone or orthohydroxyphenylmethyl ketone or parahydroxyacetophenone, parahydroxyphenylmethyl ketone. This is called Fries rearrangement. Fries rearrangement is a general reaction of great synthetic importance that provides useful organic compounds. Let us apply it to resorcinol. This contains 6 carbon atoms, 4, 5, 6, so it is hexanoyl chloride. So it results in the formation of this OH has been replaced by alkyl group and we have got corresponding ester. In the presence of AlCl3, it will undergo rearrangement, that is hydrogen from here shifts to this position and this keto group comes here. So we get this compound, and when it is undergoes Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction is carried out with the help of zinc mercury amalgam and Econc HCl. So this keto group changes to CH2. We get 4 normal hexyl resorcinol. If this hexyl group is not there, this compound is popularly called resorcinol. It is IUPAC name will be benzene 1,3-diol. So 4 normal hexyl resorcinol is an antiseptic.